lot of discussion on the leadership change in Goa. उसके बारे में कुछ decision हुआ है?
That will be decided by the party leader, high command.
So you have been meeting many congressmen.
Yeah.
So what were the grievances or what was their demand?
No, I'm meeting and plus I'll be meeting them again next few days. So we will see all those are internal issues. But everybody wants that the party organization should get strengthened and try and focus on the constituencies now. Try and find out who are the best candidates and see that the good candidates get tickets and those who are able to have popularity in the area and who can manage the elections. Those kind of people. That's what the basic one of the thing which the party workers are saying. Except meetings in various constituencies, visiting all the I think almost 9 constituencies is planned. 6 constituencies are planned to visit. Today we are having some internal discussions with all some senior leaders and some other agencies and groups. So basically we're just doing some exercise today, internal exercise, and then I'm visiting the constituencies, organization, and see what the party workers are thinking, what they are feeling. So he continues to work as a president. Whatever changes, whatever issues that will come, that will be AICC has heard everybody's views, and they will announce. But till then, party work will go on.
Waiting to have an alliance with the Congress. What will be?
See, there are people who are meeting Congress. There are some people who are meeting AAP. There are some people who are meeting, BJP also. But ultimately, whatever alliance any issue, that will be for us. It will be based upon what our party workers want and what the people of Goa want. That is what is more important. What do the people of Goa want? That is the most important part for us, because we have to see that a good stable government is formed in Goa. A good stable government is formed.
Yeah, so the allianceचो ओवरऑल इश्यूज आसा. तो इशू आमचे हायकमांड आनी आमचे जे इंचार्ज आसा दिनेश गुंडूराव ते हँडल करता आनी ते आमचे कडेन सगळ्यां कडेन डिस्कस करून, लोकां कडेन डिस्कस करून एक्झॅक्टली कितें जाय, कशें जाय, अलायन्स जाय काय नाका जाय, काय कशें वचपाचें, ते सगळे निर्णय घेतले. पूण ते सगळ्यांक कन्सल्ट करून, सगळ्यांक विश्वासान घेवन.
कितले दीस आसतलो तो थंय?
ताचो 3 दिसांचो टूर आसा, आयज फाल्यां परवां.
पोंडा ब्लॉक काँग्रेस डिझॉल्व केल्ली. काँग्रेसवाल्यांनी प्रकार दिनेश गुंडूरावाच्या कानार घालो. गिरीश चोडणकार जबाबदार म्हूण तांचो आरोप.
तशें आयज सडनली गोंयचे ऑब्जर्वर काँग्रेसीचे श्री दिनेश गुंडूराव आयज गोंयांत पावले. आमी सकाळीं तेजी भेट घेतली आनी आमी सांगलें ताका पयलें की आमी हे फोंडा ब्लॉक आमकां डिजॉल्व केल्ले आहा आनी आमी तुजे कडेन आमी हें करपाक रिजन सोदपाक आमी तुजे कडेन येयल्या म्हणून. ताणें आमकां टायम दिलो, बसयले आनी आमचे कडेन डिस्कशन केलें अर्दवर गोंया भितर की थोडे कडेन ब्लॉकूच ना आनी हो ब्लॉक असो आसलो की एक्टीव आसलो आनी हेका हेणी डिजॉल्व केलो. सो आमकां गुंडूरावान जें आमी तेजे कडेन डिस्कशन केलें आमी सॅटिस्फायड आहा त्या डिस्कशनाक आनी हांवें तरी सांगलां ताका की ब्लॉक जाता आसतना परत अरुण गुडेकारूच हो ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट जाय.
सगळ्या ब्लॉकांनी मागलें खंयचोच ब्लॉक डिजॉल्व करचो न्ही म्हणून, कित्याक आतां फक्त 6 म्हयने उरल्या इलेक्शनाक आनी हो रायट टायम न्ही ब्लॉक डिजॉल्व करपाक. तरी आसतना आमकां कसलीच नोटीस धाडिनासतना कित्याक तुमचो ब्लॉक डिजॉल्व करचो न्ही, शोकोज नोटीस ना, कांय ना. आर्बिट्ररीली एक सायडीन वन सायडीड डिसिजन घेवन हो केल्लो आसा.
कोणाक जबाबदार आसा, गिरीश चोडणकर काय दिगंबर कामत?
आमी प्रेसिडेंटाकूच जबाबदार आसा.
कोण?
गिरीश चोडणकर.
गिरीश चोडणकर.
सपोज जर आतां डिजॉल्व केली तुमची कमिटी जाल्यार मागीर तुमचो कितें स्टँड आसतलो?
आमचो मागीर मुखावेलो स्टँड आमी टायमार आमी हें करून आमी कळयतले पार्टी.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.